Hello everyone, and welcome back to Motor Studio. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And here we are once again with another GQuuuuuuX kit. And this one here is a special one. This is the MS-06 Zaku GQ. The artwork on this box is really cool. I really like the Zaku right here shooting the beam rifle. And here in the background, we can see Char's Zaku. And here we see, this is the 10th kit in the series. Here we have some pretty cool side images. As usual, we have some pretty nice action poses. And here, even for this mass-produced kit, we can see that you can either go normal or you can do a commander type with the antenna. Very cool action shot with the bazooka right here. As for the gimmicks, we have a movable mono eye. We have the bazooka, rifle, heat hawk, and some hands right here. And of course the antenna. On the opposite side, we have the front and rear view. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look inside. And we see right here, 3 bags of runners. First off, let's go ahead and take a look at the manual. We have our awesome artwork right here on the top half. As usual, a little bit of a description on the Zaku. On the back side, more action poses. Now let's go ahead and see what stands out on these runners. And here we see the 2 parts of the undistinguishable shield. Runner B, all black. And a lot of these are inner frame parts. But we can see the hands right here. Close and an open one. The bottom of the feet. A couple of thrusters down here. Runner C, all green. Additional body armor. Runner D, in this darker green, yet lighter tone. And here we see some parts for the lower part of the body. Here are for the legs, these as well. And here we have the shoulder piece. Runner E, all gray. And these are all the weapon parts. Here we have the 2 halves of the bazooka, our heat hawk, and 2 halves of the rifle. And here we have Runner F with a single piece. And this is for the chest. Runner H, other small additional body parts. Runner G, and these are for the shoulders. Lastly, we got our sticker sheet. Been waiting for this day, so let's go ahead and get started. And here we are with the kit fully built. I really like all the decals on this one. Now, this Zaku came packed with a lot of decals, as you can see right here from the sheet. And it is a lot more than the military police version. So it took a while to put all of them on. But once they're all there, it does look really, really cool. I especially like the yellow stripes right here on the spikes on the shoulder. This white line is pretty nice. And then there's a couple right here on the legs as well. On the back, it is really hard to see, but there are some lighter green decals as well. This one, you can kind of see it. So it's green on green, so it is really hard to see. When it comes to range and movement, the kit is pretty sturdy. There are no loose joints, so that's always good. However, again, just like the military police version, there is a bit of lack of range because of all these sturdy pieces, like this thick shoulders and this thick tights as well. As we can see, not so much range on the shoulders, but you can always do this. When it comes to the head, you can only go, you could move it from side to side, but up and down, there's barely anything noticeable. Waist-wise, that's not too bad. When it comes to the range in the legs, again, kind of a bit limited. The range on the ankles, also somewhat okay. Up and down, a little bit of side to side, if it doesn't snap off. But Zakus are not known for being all that flexible anyway, so it's not a big deal. I really like how there's all these different green tones on this kit. Like this dark green right here, light green, a couple medium tones. It might be a bit hard to see on screen, but in person it is a lot easier to tell. Now let's see what this kit comes with. So obviously we get our rifle, we get a bazooka, pretty cool looking one, and of course we get our heat hawk. Like most kits, in order to attach them, we have to wedge them between the hands, like so. And that just goes right here. Here we have the bazooka. And attaching the heat hawk is really easy. You just have to insert that here. Comes with this extra closed left hand, in case you don't want to have this open one. Also, what I think is pretty cool is that it comes with the commander antenna. If you want to turn this into a commander type. Let's go ahead and give this guy a promotion. When changing this part, you have to be really, really careful. So take your time because it is really easy to break. And I actually did broke one on one of my military police kits. And there you have it. Now it is a commander type. Congratulations. Another cool thing about this kit is that since it already comes with a commander antenna, you could actually just paint this kit red and it'll be a Char Zaku. Because from what I've seen, the Char Zaku that's coming up next, it's pretty much the same. It is just the color scheme. Of course, the stickers are going to be a little different, but besides that, it's identical. Now, of course, we couldn't finish this review without comparing this one to the military police version. Also, from first glance, these two kits do look pretty identical, and that's because they are pretty much 90% identical. Of course, we can definitely see some key differences. On the military police one, we do see the sirens. It does come with this extra shield here, this baton. The shield on the right side, it is detailed a little bit different. than the one on the Zaku here, which is just smooth. Torso, it is identical, it is the same. These joint panels are also the same. These balls right here, the canisters, or whatever they're called, they're smooth on the Zaku, and then there are these details right here on the military one. Legs are the same as well. From the back, also everything appears to be the same. The thrusters are the same. And as for the weapons, they are the same as well. This is the same rifle. And here I have the heat hawk attached on both of them. And that is the same as well. Also, because the arms are the same, you can swap out different parts. So on the military police version, we can actually swap out this shield and attach it to this Zaku. So combining different parts from both of these kits, it's actually pretty cool. You can do a little bit of kit bashing here. From the military police Zaku, I do like this side shield a lot better. And that's just because it has more detail. So I imagine if I were to attach this one here, I would just paint this green and remove the siren, although it does look a bit small. Another cool thing that I like about the Zaku is the spiked shoulder, and I would definitely give this to the police military Zaku. There you go. I think that looks pretty cool. My final thoughts on this kit is you definitely need to get it. Even though it might feel like you're getting the same, you really are not. It is different enough. Now, for the Char Zaku, that can be debatable. I'm still going to get that one anyway. Again, one of the really cool things that I liked about this kit is that it comes with the commander antenna. The build was a lot simpler this time, and that could be because I've already built the military police Zaku one. I kind of knew where things needed to go. But if it is the first time for you building a GQuuuuuuuX Zaku, it might be a little tricky here and there, especially on this area. Gimmick-wise, I do like that it came with the rifle, heat hawk, and the bazooka. Again, definitely a worthy pickup. Let me know if you got this kit or you're considering getting it. As for me, I'm thinking of getting a second one just so I can have the trio once I get the Char Zaku. So I'm going to leave it here. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a nice day. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one.